Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Mahisha from Agilizing, and I'm delighted to be here to discuss the topic of recruiting excellence. As organizations strive to attract and hire the best talent, it is crucial to adopt innovative approaches to sourcing candidates, leverage the power of practical interviews, and prioritize a positive candidate experience. Today, we will delve into each of these areas and explore strategies to optimize recruitment outcomes. Let's begin with the first topic, innovative sourcing. Innovative sourcing is all about thinking outside the box and exploring new avenues to find top talent. It involves staying ahead in the competitive talent acquisition landscape and employing strategies that resonate with candidates in today's digital age. To achieve innovative sourcing, organizations can harness the power of social media platforms. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter provide an expansive reach and enable targeted talent acquisition efforts. Optimizing social media profiles and posting engaging content can help attract potential candidates. For example, sharing employee success stories, behind the scene glimpse of company culture, or showcasing organizational involvement in the community initiatives can create a compelling employer brand image that resonates with candidates. Another effective strategy is implementing employee referral programs. Encouraging employees to refer potential candidates can lead to high-quality hires. Research has shown that candidates referred by employee tend to have higher retention rates and culture fit within the organization. To incentivize and motivate employees, consider offering rewards such as cash bonuses, recognition programs, or additional vacation days. Clear communication about the referral process, eligibility criteria, and the type of roles the organization is looking to fill is essential to ensure employees understand and actively participate in the program. Building talent communities is yet another valuable approach. By creating network and engaging with industry-specific groups and online forums, organizations can establish relationships with potential candidates even before specific roles become available. Actively participating in conversation, sharing industry insights, and providing value to the community can position the organization as a thought leader and attract top talent who are already interested in the industry. Engaging with potential candidates in talent communities allows organizations to nurture relationships, gain insight into candidate preferences, and maintain a pipeline of qualified candidates for future hiring needs. Now that we explored innovative sourcing strategies, let's move on to the power of practical interview. Traditional interviews often fall short in providing a comprehensive understanding of a candidate's abilities. Therefore, the practical interview approach becomes increasingly important as it allows us to assess candidate skills, competencies, and potential through hands-on evaluation. Practical interviews incorporate elements such as simulated work assignments, role-playing scenarios, and case studies. These activities provide deeper insight into candidates' capabilities and their potential to excel in real-world scenarios. Simulated work assignments are an effective method within the practical interview approach. These assignments allow candidates to showcase their skills by working on tasks that resemble actual job responsibilities. By observing how candidates approach these assignments, we can evaluate their performance and suitability for the role. For example, if we are hiring for a marketing position, we could provide candidate with a sample marketing campaign and ask them to develop a strategy or create a mock-up of a social media post. Role-playing scenarios are another valuable tool in practical interviews. By engaging in role-playing exercise, candidates demonstrate how they would handle challenging situations, collaborate with colleagues, and make decisions. We can assess their problem-solving and communication skills in real time. For instance, in customer service role, we could stimulate a difficult customer interaction and observe how candidates navigate through it, displaying empathy, problem-solving abilities, and maintaining professionalisms. Case studies and problem-solving exercises are also effective in evaluating candidates' analytic thinking and decision-making abilities. These exercises present candidates with real or hypothetical business problems, allowing us to assess their problem-solving strategies and their approach to critical thinking. For example, in the project management role, we could present a candidate with a complex project scenario and ask them to outline the steps they would take to manage it effectively. By incorporating practical interviews into our recruitment process, we gain a more accurate understanding of a candidate capabilities and potential to succeed in a particular role. It allows us to move beyond theoretical knowledge and assess how candidates perform in real world scenario. Now that we understand the power of practical interview, let's explore how to enhance the candidate experience throughout the recruitment process. Candidate experience refers to the overall impression that candidate develop during the interaction with an organization. It significantly impacts employer branding, candidate engagement, and ultimately the success of recruitment efforts. To improve candidate experience, organizations should prioritize clear and transparent communication throughout the recruitment process. Timely and honest feedback, setting realistic expectation, and keeping candidates informed are crucial elements that contribute to positive experience. Provide candidates with a clear timeline of the recruitment process, including the steps involved and when they expect to hear back from the organization. Even if candidate is not selected for a particular role, providing constructive feedback can leave a positive impression and encourage the candidate to consider future opportunities within the organization. Streamlining the application process is another essential aspect. Simplifying application forms, reducing unnecessary steps, and leveraging technology to create a user-friendly and efficient process can significantly enhance the candidate experience. Consider implementing an applicant tracking system that allows candidates to easily submit their resumes, complete assessment or questionnaires, and track the status of their application. Additionally, offering the option for video interviews or virtual assessment can provide flexibility and convenience for candidates, especially for those who may be located in different geographical areas. Personalization and engagement play a vital role in building a positive candidate experience. Tailoring communication, providing relevant information, and engaging candidates on deeper level help create a connection and make candidates feel valued. Use the candidate names in communications, reference specific experience or skills mentioned in their application or resume, and provide personalized updates on the status of their application. Additionally, consider implementing automated email campaigns or personalized video messages to keep candidates engaged and informed throughout the recruitment process. These personalized touches demonstrate the organization's genuine interest in candidate and contribute to a positive candidate experience. In conclusion, by adopting innovative source strategy, leveraging the power of practical interview, and enhancing candidate experience, organization can attract top talent, build a strong employer brand, and create meaningful connection with candidates. These three pillars of recruitment excellence work together synergistically to optimize the recruitment process and ensure organization attracts and secures the best talent available. And next, we will see onboarding, the welcome experience. Onboarding extends beyond the first day and emphasizes the transition from candidate to employee. including consultant short-term arrangements. A well-planned and comprehensive onboarding process is crucial for creating a consistent and positive impression of the organization culture, value, employee experience. It sets a stage for successful and engaging employee journey, aligning with the organization values and ensuring a seamless transition from the new hires. Next, culture on day one. As new hires assimilate into the organization, it is crucial for them to develop a clear understanding of company's culture, values, and the integral role of agile thinking in the operations. Outline the key principles of agile thinking that are essential in fostering the desired mindset on the first day, emphasizing their significance in shaping the new hires' perspective and approach toward work in an agile environment. And next we have is the enablement. Companies that effectively assimilate their new hires experience improved productivity and performance. Introduce the participant to the concept that the company, HR team, and managers can implement to enable new hires to become productive within the first 90 days. Emphasize the importance of providing a supportive environment, clear expectations, structured onboarding, and ongoing communication to facilitate a smooth transition and set new hire up for success. Thank you all for your attention. I hope you found this presentation insightful and gained valuable ideas to enhance your recruitment practices. I'm now happy to address any question or engage in discussion on this topic. Thank you.